Engineered with the assistance of first responders and EMS professionals, the 511 Tactical Responder Parka is designed to provide maximum protection from both weather and biological hazards without compromising comfort or utility. The fabric and seams of the Responder Parka are waterproof, breathable, and durable. The removable liner jacket is a two-sided polyester fleece that can be worn on its own. A three-way adjustable and removable hood rolls up into the collar. The parka also offers an easy-access radio pocket, zippered pockets on the sleeves, a panel for an ID patch, and waist adjusters at the side seams. Articulated elbows grant free range of movement. Shoulder abrasion panels provide grip for backpack straps, and a double storm flap collar keeps weather out and warmth in. If you've got a long shift ahead of you, the Responder Parka will help you through it. Also available as the High-Vis Responder Parka, which meets ANSI Class 2 Level 2 ISEA 107-2010 standards.